Starting with exercise 5.3, find the sum of first 10 terms. See, here A is 2, D is 7 minus 2 is 5. So, sum of 10 terms is 10 by 2, 2A, that is 2A plus n minus 1 into dd is 5. So, 4 plus 9 into 5 is 45. So, 5 into 49 is 245. So first sum of first 10 terms is 245. Now similarly, this is A. D is minus 33 minus 37, which is 37 minus 3, 33 is 4. So sum of 12 terms is n by 2, 2 into A plus n here is 12 minus 1 into d is 4, which is minus 74 plus 11 into 4 is 44. So 6 into minus 30 is minus 180. Next, this is A. D here is 1.7 minus 0.6 is 1.1. So sum of 100 terms is n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So that means 100 upon 2, 2 into 0.6 is 1.2. plus 99 into 1.1. 50, 1.2 plus 99 into 99 is 80, 108.9. So sum these two. 11, 9, 10, 10.1. So 10.1, 5, 5, 0, 5, 0, and 1 point is there. So 1505. Now here A is this. Find D. 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. Take the LCM, which will be 60. 12 5s are 15 4s are 1 upon 60. So D here is 1 by 60. So sum of 11 terms will be 11 by 2, 2A plus 10 into D. So here 15 upon 2, LCM is 30, 4 plus 5. So 11 upon 2 into 9 by 30, 3 3s are 9, 3 10s are 30. So 33 upon 20. So the first sum of 11 terms is 33 upon 20. Now the second question, find the sum. So in order to find the sum, Sn is equals to n by 2 A plus L. So we have to find how many terms are there. So An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. 84 is equals to 7 plus n minus 1 into D. D here is 21 upon 2 minus 7. Take LCM. Minus 14 is 7 upon 2. So 84 minus 7 is equals to n by 2, 7 upon 2. 77 divided by 7 by 2 is n minus 1. Is equals, therefore n is equals to 23. So 23 upon 2, 7 plus 84, that will be equal to 91. So it will be in points. 91 into 23 is 18. 2093 upon 2, which will be 1046.5. The answer is 1046.5. Now similarly 34, 32 till 10. So An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So 10 is equals to 34 plus n minus 1 into D here is 32 minus 34 is minus 2. So minus 24 upon minus 2 is n minus 1. Therefore n is equals to 30. So Sn is equals to n by 2 A plus L. Write each and every formula when you are solving the questions. Into 44 is 22. So 22 286. Now minus 230 is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. D here is minus 8 minus minus 5, which is minus 3. So minus 230 plus 5 upon minus 3 will be n minus 1. So this will be minus 2 to 5 upon minus 3, which is 75, is equals to n minus 1. So n is equals to 76. That means Sn is equals to 76 upon 2 minus 5 plus minus 230, which is 76 upon 2 into minus 235. So find the value here. 6 5 is 30, 18, 19, 20, 21. So it is 17860 upon 2, which is equivalent to 8930. In an AP, A, D and AN is given. We have to find N and Sn. So AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D, which is 50. So substitute the values over here. So n minus 1 into 3 becomes 45. So n minus 1 is equals to 15. Therefore n is equals to 16. Now we have to find the Sn as well. So Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 16 upon 2, 2 into 5 is 10. 16 minus 1 is 15 into 3. So 8, 10 plus 45, which is 8 into 55. 440 is your answer. A is equals to 7, A 13. A 13 means A plus 13 minus 1 into D is 35. So 7 plus 12D is 35. So 12D becomes 35 minus 7 is 28. So D is equals to 28 upon 12. 4 7s are 4 3s are 12D. Let me check if I am doing it correctly. Yes. So S13 is 13 upon 2 A plus L, which is 7 plus 35. 13 upon 2 into 42, 21. So 3 to the 6, 273. A12 is given, D is given. A12 means A plus 11D is 37. So A plus 33 is 37. That means A is equals to 4. And we have to find S12 as well. So S12 is n by 2 A plus L, because A12 is given. So n 12 by 2, A is 4 and 37. So 6 into 41 is 246. Fourth question, A13 and S10. So A13 is 15, that means A plus 12D is 15. So S10, what do you mean by S10? N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D is equals to 1 to 5. So 5, so 2A plus 9D is equals to 25, because 125 divided by 5 is 25. So I'll substitute the value of A in this equation. So it becomes 2 into 15 minus 12D plus 9D is equals to 25. So 30 minus 24D plus 9D is equals to 25, or minus 15D is equals to minus 5. That means D is equals to 1 by 3. See, so we have found the value of D. Now A10. A10 means A plus 9D we have to find. So I'll find the value of A first. 15 minus 12 upon 3, which is 4. So 11. That means 11 plus 9 upon 3 is 14. So A10 is 14. Now D is 5, S9. S9 means N by 2. 2A plus N minus 1 into D is 75. So 9 by 2, 2A plus 9 minus 1 is 8, and 8 into 5 is 40, is 75. So 2, if I'll take 2 common over here, it becomes A plus 20 is equals to 75. So A plus 20 is equals to 75 upon 9. 3 3s are 9, 25. So A is equals to 25 upon 3 minus 20. Take LCM over here. So which is 5 minus 35 upon 3. So A is minus 35 upon 3. So A9 will be A plus 8D minus 35 upon 3 plus 8 into 5 is 40. Take LCM. Minus 35 plus 120 is 5. 11 minus 3 is 8. 85 upon 3. So 9 is 85 upon 3. Now we have been given Sn is equals to 90. So n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is 90. So we can rewrite it as n 4 plus 8n minus 8 is equals to 180. So 8n minus 4 into n is equals to 180. Open the brackets. 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is 0. Take 4 common. So 2n square minus n minus 45 is 0. Now we have to solve the quadratic equation. Now the product should be minus 90 and sum should be minus 1. Find the factors. 2 into 45, 3 into 30, 4, 5 into 18, 6 into 15, 9 into 10. So 9 and 10 will be the factors. So 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is 0. So 2n plus 9, n minus 5 will be the factors. Therefore n is equals to minus 9 by 2 or 5. But since n cannot be negative because number of terms cannot be negative, therefore n is equals to 5. An means A5 is equals to A plus 4D. So 2 plus 4 8 is 32, which is 36. So A5 is 36. Now the seventh part, we have to find n and d. So n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is 210. And an, that means a plus n minus 1 into d is 62. So a plus, we can rewrite the formula as a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 210. So n by 2, 8 plus 62 is equals to 210. So n is equals to 210 into 2 upon 70. So n is equals to 6. Substitute this in this equation. So 8 plus 6 minus 1 into d is 62. 5d is equals to 54. So d is equals to 54 upon 5, which is 10.8. Next, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d is 4. So Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus l minus 14 is equals to n by 2 a plus 4. So minus 28 is equals to n a plus 4. D, we can find the value of 2n minus 2 is 4. So a plus 2n is equals to 6, or a is equals to 6 minus 2n. Substitute here. 6 minus 2n plus 4, which is 10 minus 2n. So take 2 common. 5 minus n, that means 5n minus n square is equals to minus 14, or n square minus 5n minus 14 is 0. Now factorize it. N square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 is 0. So n plus 2, n minus 7 is 0. Therefore n is equals to 7. So value of a will be 2 into 7 is 14 minus 8. So a is minus 8. Part number 6, 32 plus 2 was 34. I made a mistake. So now the ninth part, a is equals to 3, n is equals to 8 and s is equals to 192. So Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is 192. So 8 upon 2, 2 3 the 6 plus 8 minus 1 into d is 192. So 4, 6 plus 7d is equals to 192. That means 6 plus 7d is equals to 48. 7d is equals to 48, d is equals to 6. 7 6 are 42. So the 10th part. 10th part is L, we have been given Sn. So Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus L, or Al, that means a plus n minus 1 into d is 28. There are 9 terms. So 9 by 2 a plus 28. So 144 into 2 upon 9 is equals to a plus 28. 9 ones are 9, 6, so 32 is equals to a plus 28. That means a is equals to 4. We have to find a. So a is equals to 4. Thank you.